Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is an impressive piece of engineering that strikes a perfect balance between power and convenience. Outfitted with a robust 1000W motor, this bike delivers exhilarating speeds of up to 30+MPH, making it suitable for both urban commutes and adventurous rides through the countryside. The acceleration is responsive, and the power is palpable, allowing riders to tackle inclines effortlessly. One of the standout features is the 48V 20AH removable battery. This substantial battery offers a remarkable range of up to 80 miles on a single charge, depending on the terrain and riding mode. This makes it a fantastic choice for those looking to cover longer distances without worrying about running out of power. The removable aspect of the battery is particularly convenient. It enables easy charging either on or off the bike, which is a significant advantage for those living in apartments or without direct access to power outlets. The folding design is ingeniously crafted, making the bike highly portable. It folds down neatly, allowing for easy storage in tight spaces or the trunk of a car, promoting versatility for those who travel. The build quality is robust, yet the bike remains lightweight enough to carry when needed. The frame feels sturdy, which is crucial for maintaining stability at higher speeds. The bike is equipped with a comfortable saddle and adjustable handlebars, accommodating various rider heights and preferences. The inclusion of disc brakes ensures reliable stopping power, contributing to a safe riding experience. Furthermore, the bike features integrated lights, enhancing visibility during nighttime rides. In summary, the 1000W folding electric bike impresses with its powerful performance, impressive range, and portability. Whether you're using it for daily commuting or recreational rides, it's a reliable companion that offers both thrill and practicality. This electric bike is an excellent investment for anyone seeking an efficient and enjoyable way to navigate their environment.